Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video and it is going to be a stationery haul. So all of these items are very kindly sent to me by Journal Say. So Journal Say is a website where you guys can easily find different types of journaling supplies, different types of stationery, desk decor and a lot more things. The best part is that they are very affordable and there is free shipping on orders above $20. And the items on their website are very unique and they are not easily available in India as well. And it only takes 15 to 25 days to get your product delivered at your home. So I will link their website in the description box below to check it out. And now let's start with our haul. So firstly I have this iPad case and this is so cute and the quality of this case is very nice, and you guys can easily carry your iPad in this when you're traveling outside. And this iPad case is cushioned so it will protect your iPad as well. And this case perfectly fits my iPad and it's a very nice and useful purchase. So nextly I have this very cute acrylic pen stand, and this one is in the shape of a rabbit and that's how it looks like. It will look so good on the study desk. So nextly I have this sunset lamp. So I did mainly purchase this to take some aesthetic pictures of my desk for Instagram and for YouTube thumbnails, and it also comes with this stand and these films are also provided. So basically these films will give you different colors of the light. So there are 5 films in total which will give you 5 different colors. So that's how the original light of the lamp looks like, and right here I'm just trying different colors, so they look so good in real. So nextly I have this moon lamp. So I wanted this from such a long time because it is quite famous, almost everyone owns this, and finally I got this one from Journal Say. So you have to charge this, which is the best part because you don't need to change the batteries again and again, and these wooden blocks are its stand. So nextly I have ordered these candles, and more than a candle I have ordered these as the showpiece because they will look so good and they smell so good. So while ordering them I thought that they are just normal candles, they are not scented candles, but they smell so good, and that's how these two looks like. I'm not at all going to burn them because I like how they looks. I'm just going to use it as a showpiece on my study desk. So nextly I have ordered this Bluetooth speaker. So I have ordered this mainly for my brother, and this data cable comes along with this for charging, and that's how this one looks like. And it also works really well, its volume is very loud and clear. So then I have these 2 packs of stickers. So these stickers come along with the Bluetooth speaker and the organizer, which I'm going to be unboxing later. So basically these sticker sheets are to decorate the Bluetooth speaker and the organizer. So then I have this organizer, and this also comes with this lid. So this is in a basic white color, but stickers are provided to decorate this. And as you guys can see that there are 3 different compartments, and this is very spacious. So this is the most interesting thing of this entire haul, and I have never seen something like this in India before. So this is kind of a board in which you guys can write things, and this also comes with this wire. So you guys need to like attach it to the power supply, and this shines. I will show you guys how this works. And these two white markers comes along with this to like write down on that acrylic board. So that's how this one looks like, and this looks so good. So you guys can write down anything on it, like anything from motivational quotes or your to-do list, and it will look so good on your desk. So this is the most unique and one of my favorite item of this haul. I really like this. So this is the pouch that I've ordered. This one is in a very good pastel yellow shade, and that's how this one looks like. So you guys can like store anything in this while traveling, for example your phone charger or anything like that. So nextly I have ordered this wooden stamp to use it in my bullet journal. So nextly I've ordered this card holder. So this is going to be very useful and practical item. So you guys can like store your cards in this, whether they are some visiting cards, your ATMs, Aadhaar cards or anything like that. So next I have this mini calendar of 2022. So one thing that I didn't like about this planner is that the days and other things are written in Chinese, which I can't really like understand. So then there's this black brush pen by Pentel. So then I've ordered this measuring tape for my mom. So then I have this chair. So basically this one is a mobile stand. So then they have also ordered this pen case from Tombow, and that's how this one looks like from inside, and you guys can easily store your pens in this. And there's also the zipper. Then there is this very cute mini table lamp. That's how this one looks like. This is very small and it looks so like it is very tiny and looks so cute. So then I have this table mat, and that's how this one looks like, and this is very big and spacious as well. So then I have ordered these two table stands. So I have so many things to like keep it on my table, and sometimes the desk looks so messy, so that's why I've ordered these. So there are these two shelves, and I think that they can like maximize space on my study table, and that's how they looks like. So then I have these bullet journal stamps, and they have like the days of the week written on them, and I think like they will give such a good vintage vibe to my bullet journal, so that's why I have ordered them.